If you're seeing a OneNote server error, don't panic and don't start randomly reinstalling apps just yet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OneNote server error the safe way, starting with the most important step first, checking whether the problem is actually on Microsoft's side. If this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. Before you change anything on your device, open a web browser and check the Microsoft 365 Service Status page. You can also look at the OneDrive status dashboard. This step matters because OneNote depends on Microsoft's cloud services to sync your notebooks. If Microsoft is experiencing an outage, maintenance, or a server-side issue, then the error may not be caused by your device at all. If you see a cloud outage or maintenance notice, do not sign out, do not reinstall OneNote, and do not keep making changes to your account. In that situation, the best thing to do is wait. Your notes should sync automatically once Microsoft resolves the issue on their end. Now, if Microsoft services look normal and the error is still happening, the next likely cause is an outdated security token. That basically means OneNote may be holding on to old login credentials and the servers are rejecting your device because the authentication session is no longer valid. The good news is that refreshing your login usually fixes this loop. To do that, open OneNote on your computer and go to File, then Account. Once you're in the Account section, look for the option to sign out from all connected accounts. Click that and sign out fully. After that, completely close OneNote. Don't just minimize it, actually shut it down so it clears the session properly. Then reopen OneNote and sign back in using your Microsoft ID. Make sure you use the same account that owns or syncs your notebooks. After signing back in, give OneNote a moment to reconnect and resync your content. In many cases, that fresh sign-in is enough to clear the server error and get everything working again. If the error was caused by a temporary cloud issue, the app should start syncing normally once Microsoft is back online. If it was caused by a stale login token, re-authenticating your account should fix the problem right away. As a quick reminder, always check the Microsoft service status first, because if the issue is on their side, nothing you do locally will solve it faster. And if you had to refresh your login, just keep an eye on your notebooks for a few minutes to make sure the sync completes successfully. If this video helped you fix the OneNote server error, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.